airplanes there are in the sky right now.
Oh, is that real?
I think so.
The live air traffic over the U.S.
Isn't that wild?
That's nuts. Look how many are clustered.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, like Denver.
Oh, right.
Imagine
like
being
a-
right there. Be like, hey, there's not a plane in the sky.
I think that's the dark sky area.
Simply clearing each flight from the gate to the runway may involve several steps. The pilot will call for a clearance.
Oh, and then Phoenix, obviously. Oh, look at Florida.
Yeah, it wants to be in Florida.
So do you think these guys are flying over to Hawaii, Freya?
And within a half mile of the
Yes, there
apartment, they
is.
were to the radar facility, the trade hut, in Central Northwest.
It's up there.
Clear to land.
We gotta control it!
So there's no collision on the
I
runway.
love it.
In our busy skies, controlling each flight from departure to arrival is integral to maintaining our
That's why I
excellent
can't see
safety
where it's
record.
coming or where it's
Flight
going
is
from. It's a
controlled
spy
by the
plane.
controller from the time it pushes off the gate to the time it gets to its destination and parks at the gate and the doors open. For that is for safety. There's so many airplanes in the air traffic system. We need to separate it and control it.
If the weather gets bad, we have radar in the tower so you can track the aircraft taxi.
Milo, it's landing, bud.
Yeah, you just have to work at a slower pace than you would, much more careful pace than you would.
Look at it go. And it,
飞得真，
那个人冒烟而已。
飞得真的吗？
估计还有一张。哇，这看着好酷。
OK，
那个